Eating seasonal is referred to a practice where you prefer eating fruits and vegetables which grow seasonally. There is a reason behind a fruit or a veggie or a food grain growing in a particular season, and we should follow the nature's call in terms of eating as well. I am Maria Janita, a researcher and a lecturer in food technology with a base of biotechnology and agricultural sciences. Our body responds according to the change in seasons and thus requires different foods and nutrients. The seasonal fruits and vegetables have all the vitamins and nutrients that our body needs in that particular season. We eat and consume a lot of foods that help boost our immunity, but little do we know that our immunity isn't built overnight. Also, immunity is built when we eat the seasonal produces with the right combinations. While practicing a healthy lifestyle is extremely crucial for building immunity, regular exercise coupled with good food habits helps in boosting our immunity. Genes are one thing, but environmental expression is another cause in having a good immune response. This is the reason we should think of supporting rather than boosting our immunity, because immunity isn't built overnight. There are many reasons we can choose for a local and seasonal produce because they are one, affordable. For example, the kiwi, which is exotic fruit, isn't as cheaply available as amla. Food security is established where everyone has physical, social and economical access to all times to sufficient, safe and nutritious food to meet their dietary needs. As seasonal fruits and vegetables are grown under appropriate weather conditions without any artificial influencer, they are tasty and healthy, also deemed as organic. For example, strawberry that is grown in winter, whereas it is artificially made to grow in summer. Next, the seasonal fruits have their own natural color and flavor. Example, the green peas that are fresh during the winter, whereas color is added and made to look fresh in off-season. Next, crop cycle, soil management is cared for efficiently. Like urad dal and green gram grow well together during the spring-summer season. And also they are coolant in nature when consumed in summer. So when you know seasonal, you know the nutritional level is high and fresh when they are in season. Example, the capsicum, broccoli are high in vitamin C only when in the season. And research also proves that the seasonal fruits, the non-seasonal fruits tend to have low in nutrition. Now, have you ever thought that what would happen if you buy them when it's not in their season? If you go to any supermarket, you will find the attractive food though it is not in season. You know how? Because they use one type of non-consumable gloss to keep them look attractive and look fresh. That means when you buy this food, you compromise on the nutritional level. You will never get the same nutrition from the seasonal food that is available in the other seasons. Let us take an example of the wax-coated apple, avocado, grapefruit and such fruits. So seasonal fruits are more or less organic, but in order to make them non-seasonal food, influencers and other chemicals are applied on them. So when you are about to eat non-seasonal food, you should keep in mind that it has chemicals. Food that are grown in the off-season are sprayed with all sorts of chemicals in order to let them survive. As a result, they are sold at high price. Let's see few fruits and vegetables that are available in their main seasons and their importance as well. So during the summer season, due to the heat of the sun, we lose our appetite and our body perspires a lot to maintain the temperature. So there's a great risk of body dehydration. Hence, during the summer season, all we need to do is to keep our body hydrated. The seasonal foods that has a cooling effect like nungu, ice apple, watermelon, cucumber, tomatoes, capsicum, gourd varieties like bitter gourd, bottle gourd, snake gourd, green leafy vegetables are all water-rich vegetables. And summer starts with green mango, but do we know that green mango contains carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin? This zeaxanthin, it helps in protecting our eyes from the harmful UV rays of the sun. So does this sink? During the monsoon, again, our body becomes vulnerable to waterborne diseases and infections. The fruits and vegetables during this season keep us infection free, or keep us away from cold and cough, like apples, food grain ragi, citrus fruits, gottu kola like valarai kirei, pirandai, custard apples and all. So in comparison to our body temperature, the temperature outside drops down in winter and the immunity power becomes low, so we easily catch a cold and cough. Therefore, during this season, building immunity is highly important, not boosting. So the winter fruits and vegetables help us to build immunity and stay healthy. Winter is the best time for all citrus fruits like sweet lime, orange, and apples, guava, pomegranates, pineapples, papaya, and vegetables like turnip, cabbage, winter squashes, carrot, potatoes, beets, green beans, radish, spinach, mustard greens, and mainly underground veggies like yam, tapioca. These starchy veggies help us keep full during winters, as the calories burn quickly due to the internal heat produced that make us hungry quickly. That said, intake of an appropriate diet combinations results in a good intestinal microbiota as well, which in turn results in good immune response. No single food can provide complete nutrition. It's only the appropriate combination of various nutrition foods that can provide the best possible nutrition. Like consume good fats with fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, K, getting good amount of vitamin D for calcium absorption, and consumption of vitamin C rich foods is good with the iron foods for better absorption of the iron. Consuming these seasonal foods in right combinations help build the T cells. T cells are a type of white blood cells that is of key importance to the immune system and is at the core of adaptive immunity, the system that tailors the body's immune response to specific pathogens. The T cells are like soldiers who search out and destroy the targeted invaders. So it's high time that health advice is linked to crop cycle and not calories. Eat sensibly and eat what is in the season, not off season. Thank you.